Right. Open oatmeal pie. You see what's up? You see? It's oatmeal pie. Right, I'm not ready to eat it yet. So, we're going to take a bite out of oatmeal pie. Bye. Right? Yeah.
Take another bite.
Wait, well, go. You trying to make me choke on this drag? I need something to drink now. Go on. Make me choke on this. Wait. This drink. All right. Up. God,
Drink your juice.
I'm trying to drink it. You want to choke me? God damn it.
Eat your cake.
Hey, you ain't even supposed to be in the video, goddamn. Now push your juice back so we can have some, I gotta push this back to the side because, I gotta push that back. Right? Come on, chill. Hey, chill, Papa. Chill, son. Chill. All right. Let me get another bite. Because this is the good part when you get into the middle. You feel me? No, the middle. You gotta when you break it apart. You know what I'm saying? When you break it apart, you see that creamy side of it? Oh, it just slip out the hand sometimes. You feel me? So, you gotta get the other side. Right?
Mine?
Sometimes you don't know what to do with this so good.
Mine?
Right? Well, with them small ones, you eat those parts and give the rest to the kids. You feel me? Cause they ain't really shit in there. My bad. They ain't really bleep in there. Hey, let me wash the rest of this down. So, we move this to the side. Take another. Yeah. Went down the wrong pipe. Sometimes players slip up sometimes. Right? Let me finish washing this down now. Come on, we done here.